आत्मस्वरूप है तू मेरा और मैं हूँ तेरा आत्मस्वरूप। कैसी अजब सी है फिर तू और मैं, जब दोनों के हैं एक ही रूप। आत्मस्वरूप है तू मेरा और मैं हूँ तेरा आत्मस्वरूप। कैसी अजब सी है फिर तू और मैं, जब दोनों के हैं एक ही रूप। बिन सागर के बूंद बने ना, ना बिन बूंद के है सागर। भरी है तेरी बूंद बूंद से हर एक आत्मा की है गागर। तू है मेरे हर कण में और मैं हूँ तेरा एक ही कण। मेरा कभी सूरज से अलग, तेरे ही कण से बनी किरण। तू है मेरे हर कण में और मैं हूँ तेरा एक ही कण। मेरा कभी सूरज से अलग, तेरे ही कण से बनी किरण। माया के सपने में तू जा और जागृत में हूँ मैं एक अकेला। अंतर में जो पाऊँ मैं तुझको, तो शून्य हुआ सृष्टि का मेला। यूं तू मुझे अपने में संभाले, कुछ ना रहे बस आत्मा हो। देखूं समाया हर कण में सत्य रूप परमात्मा हो। यूं तू मुझे अपने में संभाले, कुछ ना रहे बस आत्मा हो। देखूं समाया हर कण में सत्य रूप परमात्मा हो। आत्मस्वरूप है तू मेरा और मैं हूँ तेरा आत्मस्वरूप। कैसी अजब सी है फिर तू और मैं, जब दोनों के हैं एक ही रूप। आत्मस्वरूप है तू मेरा और मैं दोनों के हैं एक ही रूप। बिन सागर के बूंद बने ना, ना बिन बूंद के है सागर। भरी है तेरी बूंद बूंद से, हर एक आत्मा की है गागर। तू है मेरे हर कण में और मैं हूँ तेरा एक ही कण। है ना कभी सूरज से अलग, तेरे ही कण से बनी किरण। तू है मेरे हर कण में और मैं हूँ तेरा एक ही कण। है ना कभी सूरज से अलग, तेरे ही कण से बनी किरण। माया के सपने में तू जा, और जागृत में हूँ मैं एक अकेला। अंतर में जो पाऊँ मैं तुझको, तो शून्य हुआ सृष्टि का मेला। यूं तो मुझे अपने में संभाले, कुछ ना रहे बस आत्मा हो। देखूं समाया हर कण में, सत्य रूप परमात्मा हो। यूं तो मुझे अपने में संभाले, कुछ ना रहे बस आत्मा हो। देखूं समाया हर कण में, सत्य रूप परमात्मा हो। आत्म स्वरूप है तू मेरा, और मैं हूँ तेरा आत्म स्वरूप। कैसी अजब सी है फिर तू और मैं, जब दोनों के हैं एक ही रूप। आत्म स्वरूप है तू मेरा, और मैं हूँ तेरा आत्म स्वरूप। कैसी अजब सी है फिर तू और मैं, आत्मस्वरूप है तू मेरा और मैं हूँ तेरा आत्मस्वरूप। कैसी अजब सी है फिर तू और मैं, जब दोनों के हैं एक ही रूप। आत्मस्वरूप है तू मेरा और मैं हूँ तेरा आत्मस्वरूप। कैसी अजब सी है फिर तू और मैं, जब दोनों के हैं एक ही रूप। बिन सागर के
Good evening, friends. Welcome to the evening session. Hope you had a beautiful day today. Before we start, I just wanted to check if you can hear us and see us so that we can start. Good evening, Sasi ji. Good evening, Ross, Meenakshi ji, तपस्या, प्रियंका, सुरेंद्र जी. Very good evening to all of you. If you are online, do let me know that you are online so that I can say hello to you. Pawan ji, good evening. All clear. Thank you so much for confirming. पूनम जी, सुधाकर जी, प्रीति, Very good evening. As usual, please share the video. Host watch party. I keep reminding you this so that you don't forget. And with your hand, Asha, good evening. That many more people taste the inner peace. Do let me know once you shared and host watch party so that we can start. Kiranji, Sujata, very good evening. It is so wonderful to be with you all. Every evening we meet. It's now almost 3 months, over 3 months. We are meeting every day, Monday to Friday. Poonamji, thank you for hosting. I see your profile always, you are hosting. Thank you so much for helping us to reach to as many as possible. So let's start today's session. First we will chant Am 3 times and then we'll start. Keep your both the palm open to sky. Create no resistance to any disturbance. You are at home, I understand that there will be some disturbance. So don't allow that disturbance to change who you are. Nothing outside should change the way you are inside. So let everything happen except the present moment as it is. We'll try to bring our mind home, which is in the body. Whole day our mind keep going out. So let's start. Both the palm open, back straight. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly, slowly let it go. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly, slowly let it go. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly, slowly let it go. With next long deep breathing, we'll chant Am 3 times. Take long and deep breath in. Take long and deep breath in. Take long and deep breath in. Bring your mind home, which is inside your body, so that we can see the present moment as it is, without psychological drama happening in our head. Slowly, slowly open your eyes. Today we are going to see what is the importance of energy body mental body and physical body. A human being is made out of three bodies. First is your energy body. It has its own mechanics, how it works in your physical body. Then we have a mental body, and then we have physical body. But usually we are only aware of physical body. So whenever we face the challenge, we try to change our habits. We try to change the way we behave, because that's the only thing we know. If I am getting angry, I will work on anger. If I am getting greedy, I will work on greed. If I am getting lustful, I will work on my lust. But that never works, because physical body is the last place you want to work on. Today I am going to discuss with you the importance of thought, because every day we are having 60,000-70,000 thoughts in our head, and we don't give much importance to our thoughts, and thoughts are like our, we think that it's granted, having these mental dialogues all the time going on. We give lot of importance to our physical actions than our thoughts and emotions. And whenever something goes wrong, we try to change our physical actions to make our life straight. But unfortunately, no matter how hard we try to change our physical habit, it absolutely becomes impossible to change our small habit, because we are not working on the roots, we are working on the fruits. Your physical action is the fruit of your emotions. Your emotions are fruits of your thoughts. So to change the action, we need to change the thoughts. Thought is a mother of emotions and actions. So we cannot change the action unless we change or work on our emotional body, mental body and energy body. So to put you in the perspective, our thoughts becomes our emotions become actions. In simple word, when I think somebody is wrong or somebody is not listening to, only the thought comes in our mind, then we keep repeating that thought in our head. That means we give energy to that thought, and then thought becomes emotions. When we give energy to thought, that thought can be anything. Maybe you want to do something, or maybe you want to achieve something in your life. So the first is thought, and thought becomes emotions, and your emotions becomes your actions. Action cannot be changed by changing actions, because that's the last place we want to work. We want to work on our thoughts, so we don't get trapped into that cycle, vicious cycle, where our thought patterns are set, way of thinking is set. Because of that, our emotional is set. But now we are trying to change the action. So we are trying to change the action contrary to our thought pattern and our emotion pattern. That is never going to work. How does that work? To change the action, we have to change our emotions. To change the emotions, we have to see what kind of thought pattern we have. And this programming of thoughts, the way the thought works, is been programmed from long time, from childhood, and through the cultural conditioning, through our own experience. And unfortunately, they are always attracted to negative things. Today somebody called me and said, why don't you speak about community and the people playing politics in general life and in community, that it doesn't work and it affects your health. I said to that person that the world outside is just a reflection of your mind. There is no one world. There are many worlds. My world is different, your world is different, her world is different. The number of people equals to number of worlds. But nobody knows what is real world. So we look towards world, what goes in our head. So world is never bad or good. World is world. What is the meaning we give to the world? And most of the time, those meanings are wrong. That's why we become negative. There is only one place which we can change in this world, is that this place, this inside body, inside our mind. Imagine when you were a child, nothing mattered, you never said world is bad. Because you were not programmed at that time. You will talk to anyone, you will go to anybody's house, you will play with any children, doesn't matter black, white or which nationality it is. Because your mind is not programmed. But slowly, once your mind is programmed, you give name, definitions to all the events and situations. If there are people who have seen lot in their life and suffered lot, they will obviously have that negative attitude. Those who have always said that no, world is good. We never teach our children that world is bad. Then why do we say that world is bad? Why do we say people playing politics? Unless you have politics inside you, you cannot see outside politics. We only see what is inside us. For example, if you are doing fasting and you go to market, you haven't eaten anything that day. And when you go to market, in the whole market, you will only see restaurants. Because that is what is going in your head. All other shops disappears. Because you are hungry, all you see in the world outside is a restaurant. Let's suppose you want to buy shoes and you go out. You will always see the shoes shops. Same way, if you want to buy a house, even your Facebook feed will only show house. So the world outside is nothing but the reflection of what is inside me. If I am happy, if I am pure, if my energy is pure, I will see everyone good. Even if somebody doesn't behave with you nicely, you will still be nice. You won't let them change the way you are. Now it doesn't mean that there is no wrong people outside there. There is. That is everywhere. To be very honest, there is no good person or bad person, even myself. We are like a pendulum. So here is good, here is bad, and we are pendulum. We just go from good to bad, bad to good, depending upon situation and the person we come across. So never define or judge any person whether that person is good or bad, because today he is not good, tomorrow he may be good. Because we all are pendulum. So just giving name to the people that that person is not good, whether it's your family, in-laws, anyone. Doesn't work like that. Even we are not always good, we are not always bad, we are just like a pendulum. So once you know this, you will not create negative thoughts in your mind, and when you don't create a negative thoughts, you will not create negative emotions. And when you don't create negative emotions, you will not create unwanted actions. And your life will be full of bliss and peacefulness. In our session, that's what we learn. How to create such a beautiful human experience, irrespective of what goes in the world. We know that outside world is not under our control. We cannot change it. But what goes inside this body, what goes inside this head is my responsibility. If what goes inside me is also not under my control, then I am not a human being, I am a machine. If somebody comes and says, "Oh, you are looking fat today," you become sad. Somebody says, "Oh, you are looking smart today," you become happy. You start jumping. We have given the remote control of our emotions and thoughts to other people. Other people can press the button and make you sad, make you happy, just by words. Also, we are constantly seeking approval from others, also asking for their care, attention, and love. And whom we are asking, they are also seeking the same thing. In another word, one beggar begging to another beggar that give me respect. He is also looking for respect. Everyone in this world is trying to look for a respect. But nobody is respecting each other because one beggar cannot give anything to other beggar. So once we do our introspection, on our experience, when we do meditation, what happens is our body comes under our control. Our mind comes under our control. Our emotions come under control. And when this piece of equipment is under control, everything in our world comes under control without any frictions. So that is most important. What we learn in these sessions is to how I am going to be master of this body, how I am going to be master of my mind, and not let all the negativity come inside me. So we are not here to change anyone. I am not here to change you. I am just sharing what I do. There is no desire in me to change you. Because if I love you, I will love you as you are, who you are, not the way I want you to be. Many times I tell you guys, from 3 years, 2 years now I am telling, share the video, share the post. Only 1% people do. So then I should create that anger in me. Why people are not doing it? But no, what I do is I just tell. Whether you do it or not do it, it's your karma. Telling is my karma. Same way in our life, if we do this, whether it's kids, husband, wife, boss, colleagues, we can give our opinion, we can tell, oh, this is not right or that is not right. But we cannot force them to behave the way we want them to behave. And the only place, always believe me, that if you think the world is bad, the world is not bad, you are bad. If you think the people are cunning, people are not cunning, you are cunning. If you think the world is good, world is not good, you are good. If you think there is a peace outside, that means there is a peace inside you. If you think that there is a bliss outside, actually that is just your own reflection which is coming outside. Same way when you go to watch a movie, when you enter the movie theater, you know that there's just a white blank curtain. But once the projector starts, you see all these characters playing different story part. When they laugh, you laugh. When they cry, you cry. But actually there is nothing on the wall, on that curtain. Everything is coming through that projector. And when the projector is off, the screen becomes blank. Same way, your world is like that. These two eyes and your head is a projector. And the world outside is a blank curtain. Whatever you project on that blank curtain, you will see. And the day this projector shuts off, everything becomes blank. So we have to look inside. What is going inside this projector? What kind of movie it is producing outside? Am I producing a blissful, happy movie? Or am I producing a sad, negative movie? So never blame outside world. It is all inside you. And when you do Kriya meditation with me, I am not going to support to change anyone or society or community. I am not here to change anyone. I am just interested in people who are ready to change themselves. We are not here to change anyone. With that, let's start our session. I hope that was helpful. These tips, small tips, will change your life in such a way. These are invaluable teachings from ancient times. And all the teaching says, bring your mind, body under your own consciousness, and you will see the greatest magic happening. Many people ask me, how can you do so many things every day with so much persistence? I say, because I don't do it. It's just the way I am. It's just the way life happens to me. I see the beauty in people. I see beauty in life, which makes me do more and more things. First of all, I don't expect anything from anyone. I do my job of telling people. They do it good, they don't do it. It's their life. So there is no force from my side that you need to change. Same way, if you adopt that way of living, everything in your life, home, in your office will become so blissful that you will never imagine the life can be beautiful. And one more thing before we start. There is a miracle happening inside you. There is a miracle inside you, treasure inside you. When you close your eyes and keep training your body and mind to go inside, one day you will find that diamond, which is outside things are nothing compared to that diamond which is inside you. Once you find that diamond, you will not need anybody's approval, you will not need anybody's respect, you will not need anything. You will understand by just becoming a human being, by just coming on this planet Earth, the nature itself has respected you. Immense respect and love that give, that's why we are born. Otherwise, we could have been anywhere in the darkness. We are here only for short period of time. We forget this. We are not here permanently. We are here on tourist visa for 70 years, 60 years, whatever it may be. As a tourist, it is our responsibility that we enjoy our stay in the hill station called Earth. Because if we don't enjoy that stay, then one day when it's time to go back, we will regret that we came only to explore this and we lost that opportunity. Those who will be with me, I will make sure you don't lose that opportunity. I'll keep shaking you. I'll keep making you realize the importance of every day, every moment, so that you live every day and don't waste a single moment of your life. It's so precious. I always say, be in present, be in present, be. Why I'm saying be in present? You don't understand why I'm saying be in present. Because this present moment is so precious, tomorrow you can give all your wealth, it will not come back. Ask the person who is dying the value of one day. If somebody is dying after 2 hours, ask that person the value of 1 hour. And we keep spending our moments, our days, weeks, months, years, just like we are never going to leave this place. Everything is going to change. Now don't spend even one moment on negativity. Every moment should be blissful. And believe me, if you decide that now onwards nobody is going to change my life, I am going to be master of my emotion and thought, take my word, nobody can make you miserable. You are the only person who can make yourself miserable. Your own thought makes you miserable. Your own emotions make you miserable. Once you take control of your thoughts and emotions and your body, you will see the greatest magic happening in the world. You want to become successful? First raw material is this. Get this piece of equipment under your control. There is no way you cannot be a successful person. Let's start with our Kriya today. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly, slowly let it go. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly, slowly let it go. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly, slowly let it go. Create no resistance. Bring your mindfulness into all your actions. Keep your mind in the present moment. Feel all the movement, feel all the touch of your hands and rotation. Slowly, slowly turn your head towards left. Feel the stretch. Put your right palm onto your right cheek. Press your right cheek onto your right palm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slowly hand going down towards right. Left hand. Feel the movement of your hand, touch of your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slowly hand going down. Both on forehead. Press on forehead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back of the head. Be present, create no resistance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slowly hand going down. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slowly hand going down. Be very mindful, watchful of all your actions, all your thoughts as a third person. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slowly hand going down. Touch of your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back of your head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hand going down. If you know the Kriya, keep your eyes closed and feel the movements. Now chin to the chest, neck going up. Feel the rotation of your neck. Let it go as back as possible. Going back, reverse. Be in present, feel the sensations, feel the rotations. Now both the palm on your knees, 360-degree rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Anahata chakra, both the hands pressing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keeping your eyes closed. Now we'll go to our knee. Come back in the center. Come back. Right. Come back. Manipur ka chakra, 1 inch above navel. Feel that chakra energy going up, going in center, going up, right, going up. Now full circle, left, center, right. Feel the rotation. Become observer of your own body. We observe outside world, but in Kriya, we only observe our own body. Bring the focus inside. Usually our focus is outside. Unless we bring our focus inside, bring your mind and body under your awareness. Watch what is going in your mind and in your body. Opposite, reverse. Feel the rotations. All right. Now open your left leg. Swadhisthana chakra. The energy body stays aligned with your mental body and physical body when you live in present. 1, 2, 1, 2, up, down, 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 up, down. Opposite leg. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Now Shishupalasana. Make sure your attention is on your root chakra, near your tailbone. Kiss your baby on the toes. Opposite. Kiss your baby. Very good. Now we'll do butterfly pose. Titli Asana. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Very good. Very good. Relax. We'll do pranayama now. Both the palm, both the hand beside your shoulder. Keep your mouth gently closed. Breathe in, breathe out. 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 Breathe in, out. Keep doing. Relax. Become aware of the oxygen going into your body, revitalizing your brain. One more time. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, out, 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 in, out. Relax. Take your attention to your palm. Feel the sensation on your palm. One more last time. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, out, 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 in, out. Relax. Become aware of the silence surrounding you. Acknowledge the peace surrounding you. Acknowledge that there is abundance of peace and blissfulness surrounding you. As soon as you tune your body and mind, you start to receive it. The only reason we don't get peace or happiness or silence is because there is a lot of disturbance goes on in our mind and body. Kapalbhati, only exhaling, don't inhale, keeping mouth shut, only exhale 30 times. Start. Relax. Feel the silence. Acknowledge in your heart that the peace and the silence is available in abundance. It's me who have all the disturbance. Experience that peace and blissfulness surrounding you. See the vastness of the silence and the peace, and we can tap into it anytime we want. If we learn the technique to align the mind and body. One more time, start. Relax. Acknowledge that there is so much peace and blissfulness surrounding me. It's me who cannot tap into this. It's abundance of peace and silence. Experience that peace surrounding you. Anulom Vilom, alternate nostril breathing. Put your right thumb onto your right nostril. Take long and deep breath in. Close with pinky finger and exhale through right nostril. Now inhale through right nostril. Exhale through left nostril. Take long and deep breath in. Long and deep breathe out. Take long and deep breath in. Long and deep breathe out. Take long and deep breath in. Take long and deep breath out. Take long and deep breath in. Take long and deep breath out. Take long and deep breath in. Long and deep breath out. In, out. Keep doing. Take long and deep breath in. Take long and deep breath out. Take long and deep breath in. Take long and deep breath out. Take long and deep breath in. Relax both the palm onto your lap, open to sky. If you want to sit on chair, you can sit on chair. Sit comfortably. If you are wearing glasses, remove your glasses. Once you sit in a comfortable position, try to be still as much as possible, keeping your back erect, neck little bit tilted up, eyes gently closed, employing our mind at the entrance of the nostril. सारा ध्यान अपनी नासिकाओं पर. Keep your whole attention at the entrance of the nostril, watching incoming breath, outgoing breath, incoming breath, outgoing breath. We are not doing pranayam, we are not taking breath or leaving breath, we are just watching the natural breath coming in, touching inside our nostril and going out. You can also feel the temperature of your breath going in, coming out. Some of you might notice the breath is coming from right nostril. Some of you might notice the breath is coming from left nostril. Some of you might notice the breath is coming from both the nostrils. Don't try to change it, just acknowledge If it is coming from right nostril, let it come from right nostril. If it is coming from left nostril, let it come in from left nostril. If it is coming from both the nostrils, let it come from both the nostrils. Don't try to change it. सारा ध्यान नासिकाओं के द्वार पर केंद्रित करते हुए हर एक सांस को जाने। सांस आ रहा है, आ रहा है, आ रहा है, सांस जा रहा है, जा रहा है, जा रहा है, बस यही जानना है। सांस अगर दाहिनी नासिका से आ रहा है तो दाहिनी नासिका से आ रहा है, सांस अगर बाई नासिका से आ रहा है तो बाई नासिका से आ रहा है, सांस अगर दोनों नासिका से आ रहा है तो दोनों नासिका से आ रहा है। उसे बदलने की कोशिश ना करें। मन भटक जाए तो फिर वापस ले आए। इफ माइंड वंडर्स अवे, ब्रिंग इट बैक। Very alert, very vigilant, very diligent. Your attention steadfastly fixed at the entrance of the nostril, watching every incoming breath, outgoing breath, incoming breath, outgoing breath, the entire length of incoming breath, the entire length of outgoing breath. जानते रहे, निरंतरता पूर्वक जानते रहे। सांस की पूरी लंबाई की जानकारी होती रहे, शुरुआत से लेकर अंत तक, अंत से लेकर शुरुआत तक हर एक सांस की पहरेदारी होती रहे, हर एक सांस का पहरा होता रहे। मन भटक जाए तो फिर वापस ले आए। Keep your mind steadfastly fixed at the entrance of the nostril, watching every incoming breath, every outgoing breath, entire length of incoming breath, entire length of outgoing breath. जानते रहे, निरंतरता पूर्वक जानते रहे। सांस की पूरी लंबाई की जानकारी होती रहे, शुरुआत से लेकर अंत तक, अंत से लेकर शुरुआत तक हर एक सांस का पहरा होता रहे। वेरी अलर्ट। If mind wanders away, bring it back. And again start watching incoming breath, outgoing breath, natural breath, pure breath, only breath. No imagination, only what's happening in this present moment. The reality of this present moment is that I am breathing in, breathing out. If mind wanders away, bring it back. Again start watching incoming breath, outgoing breath, incoming breath, outgoing breath. Very alert, very vigilant. एक भी सांस बिना आपके जानकारी के आने ना पाए, एक भी सांस बिना आपके जानकारी के जाने ना पाए. Not a single breath should come or go without your awareness. Very vigilant. शब्दों के जंगल में तू क्यों फंसा है रे, पर ब्रह्म के रस से तेरा नस नस रमा है रे, पर ब्रह्म के रस से तेरा नस नस रमा है रे. आनंद तू ही, परमानंद तू ही, आनंद तू ही, परमानंद तू ही. ओम में रम कर, ओम में खो कर, ओम में मिलना है. शब्दों के जंगल में तू क्यों फंसा है रे, पर ब्रह्म के रस से तेरा नस नस रमा है रे, पर ब्रह्म के रस से तेरा नस नस रमा है रे. मान पुमान होता कहा रे, ये तो है शब्दों की पकड़. भले बुरे शब्द तुझे हिला दे, इतना नहीं तू है कमजोर. ओम में रम कर, ओम में खो कर, ओम में मिलना है. शब्दों के जंगल में तू क्यों फंसा है रे, पर ब्रह्म के रस से तेरा नस नस रमा है रे, पर ब्रह्म के रस से तेरा नस नस रमा है रे, पर ब्रह्म के रस से तेरा नस नस रमा है रे. Take long and deep breath in. Take long and deep breath out. Take long and deep breath in. Take long and deep breath out. Whenever you feel complete, whenever you feel divine, with heart filled with gratitude and love, you may open your eyes. Thank you everyone for joining today. Usha ji, she requested me to sing this song. It was not planned. Usha ji is also one of my students, senior citizen. She is from India and now she is in India. She is one of my oldest students. Other day we have Varsha ji. Today we have Usha ji. Also my material uncle. My mama also joined today. Thank you so much for joining. Usha ji, we miss you here. We miss our session in India. Thank you for joining. Before you go today, always remember that words are not important. The quality of your life is, don't give any other person or his words power to change how you feel, how your day goes. It's the word which makes us feel bad and good. Don't give that words so much importance. You are not that weak that any word can make you jump or cry. Your opinions about people and world also come through words. Don't give much importance to your own opinion if it is not increasing the quality of your life. Your opinions means nothing if they are not helping you to achieve a good quality of life. Leave those opinions. There is no place of these opinions if they are making you sad or angry or frustrated. The most important thing is how I live every day. The secret to our future is in our daily routine. What we do today, our future will come out of today. Today is the mother of tomorrow. If you think that tomorrow will be happier, healthier, and bright, and sacrificing today for tomorrow by being grumpy today, by being frustrated today, by being tired today, your tomorrow is not going to be any better. It is going to be much more worse, because your tomorrow will be born from today. Always remember this. If you are not happy today, you cannot be happy tomorrow. If you are not blissful today, you cannot be blissful tomorrow. If you think that car, house or money will bring you happiness and you sacrifice today to achieve that, thinking that tomorrow will be beautiful, you are going in a wrong direction. No matter how you work hard for your tomorrow, that's okay. But that hard work should come from happiness, from contentment. You cannot get contentment tomorrow. The day to be happy, the day to be content is today. Because your tomorrow will be born out of this today. Thank you so much for joining today. It's always my effort to bring you in present so that you don't miss any single day, any present day or moment on any unwanted things. That's my effort. I hope I am fulfilling my effort, fulfilling the destiny of my life with heart filled with gratitude. You are listening to me with so much patience and so much dedication. That means a lot to me. Thank you very much for joining. I am going to play a bhajan. If you want to stay with me in the bhajan, you are more than welcome.
प्रभु जी मोरे अवगुण चित न धरो, प्रभु जी मोरे अवगुण चित न धरो। समदर्शी है नाम तिहारो, समदर्शी है नाम तिहारो, चाहो तो पार करो, प्रभु जी मोरे अवगुण चित न धरो, प्रभु जी मोरे अवगुण चित न धरो। एक लोहा पूजा में राखत, एक घर बधिक परो, एक लोहा पूजा में राखत, एक घर बधिक परो। सो दुविधा पारस नहीं जानत, सो दुविधा पारस नहीं जानत, कंचन करत खरो, प्रभु जी मोरे अवगुण चित न धरो, प्रभु जी मोरे अवगुण चित न धरो। एक नदिया एक नार कहावत, मैलो ही नीर भरो। एक नदिया एक